it's Hannah with WTI. I want to share with you the new light I just installed in our kitchen. This is by BISAMIYA and it is perfect. I love how bright our kitchen is with this. So you have the 4 light bulbs, which is really nice and no dark shades over them. I also love that it's fully adjustable. So you have the 2 arms that can adjust, and then each individual bulb can twist around and tilt. So if you need extra lighting in a certain area where you're cooking, or I do some filming in my kitchen, so this has helped with that as well. I love that it has 4 bulbs because it does make it bright. Another thing that I was a little concerned about was the bulb showing and looking ugly, but it covers it enough that it hasn't bothered me at all. The wood grain on the shades is stunning. Since it's real wood, it's a natural grain and adds a lot of character because they're all different patterns. I'm in love with it. It was very easy to install. If you've ever installed a light, this is very similar. No problems at all. It was flush against our ceiling. So I'm loving having such a bright kitchen and this stunning piece on our ceiling. So if you're looking to brighten up a room, I highly recommend this light. And that's my point of view.